Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful and an extraordinary blouse design using the normal stitching needle. Let's quickly start with this designing. I'd be using the anchor thread of 6 strands. This is how it looks, and using size 60 number needle to create the bullion knot flower. And this is a freehand pattern. Like this, we need to insert the needle and wind it 15 times. This depends upon the size of the flower you would require. Here I'd be making the medium size flower, so 15 rounds I'd be taking here. Firstly, we'll create the bud in the center. So to create the bud, we need to create 3 lines like this. So this would be the first line. The same way, next to this I'd be creating another 2 lines, which is of 15 rounds again. This type of designing will really looks heavy, expensive and royal look, but using the basic embroidering stitches we are creating this pattern, and once completed you won't believe that it's so simple that we can create it easily at home. And if you want to make this to be done outside, it's really expensive, of around 3,500 to 4,000, because it's overall designing pattern embellished with the kundans work and also done with the zari work stitching, so that I'll show you later. Using this flower as the reference, we'll create that pattern. So now the bud has been created. Now we need to place the needle slantingly like this to make the petals all around these 3 lines, that means the bud. Now I'd be winding of 20 here. After winding, hold it firmly like this, the winded thread, and slowly pull the thread to another side like this. We need to overlap like this so that the blooming of the flower will be shown. Now I'll be creating the next petal. So first will be overlap, placing it slantingly like this, wind again 20 times. Each petal is of 20 rounds. This way we have to overlap. So first will be reference for the second will be reference for the third. This way the complete flower has to be made. And the materials I'm going to use for this designing is easily available in the fancy or the tailoring material shops, or the links has been provided in the description box for your convenience. This type of designing you can also recreate it on your old blouses to turn into designer blouses, overall designing pattern, or else you can simply create like the booties on your plain sarees to convert into designer sarees, which always use the contrasted colors because this will highlight the pattern. And you can also use the silk threads or any embroidering threads for this designing of 6 to 10 strands. The volume, if you want to increase, you have to take the more strands you have to take. So now the flower has been created. Using this as a reference, I'll show you how to give the markings. As I said before itself, it's a freehand pattern, so we need to give the curve markings like this. But if you want to create it on the sleeves, we need to give very nearer markings like this. So now I'd be marking the leaf shape like this. Here I'd be marking with the pencil, but use the invisible pencil so that it will remove the stains immediately. I think this is clear to you now. Like this, we need to give the small tiny leaf markings. Giving the extension like this, we need to create the flower as well as the leaf pattern with the stem work. I'd be using the zari thread. This is of 1 strand, and here I'd be using the normal stitching needle number 9. And on this stem work, I'd be giving the normal chain stitch. But if you know working with an RE needle, use the RE needle and give the RE chain stitches here instead of giving normal chain stitches. This is for my requesters, those who don't know working with an RE needle. For them, they also create using this normal stitching needle. So like this, the stem work and the leaf work will be highlighted with the gold zari thread. Once the zari work is done, this is how it looks. Now the filling has to be made with the kundans, also with the French knots. So for the filling, I'd be giving the French knots here like this. So randomly we have to give the French knots filling here. And the leftover will be filled with the kundans, or else you can also use the rhinestones. I'd be applying the glue dots in these leftover leaves to fill in with the kundan work. So like this, I'll stick the kundans. This way complete sleeves has to be designed, and the neckline with the small booties which I have shown. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. This is exclusively designed for the bridal party wear collection. Hope sharing of an idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your comment or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.